Have you seen those trending Italian charm bracelets all over Instagram lately? Well, one brand called Charmette. Shop has been catching everyone's attention. But before you pull out your card, let's find out if it's really worth your money or just another fancy-looking online trap. Charmette claims to sell premium Italian charm bracelets, custom charms, and even cute accessories like keychains, all with that irresistible aesthetic touch. Their website looks sleek, their marketing is polished, and with over 10,000 Instagram followers, they seem to have some online presence. Plus, they're operated by a registered company called YTK Zips LLC, and unlike many scam sites, Charmette actually lists both an email and phone number for customer support, which sounds reassuring. But when we dug deeper, the picture wasn't entirely shiny. The domain was registered only in June 2025, meaning it's still very new, a major risk factor for online shoppers. Even more concerning, the listed business address turns out to be residential, not a commercial space. That's a common red flag in the e-commerce world. The product reviews on their site? Way too perfect, almost suspiciously so, with no mention of delays or defects, which makes them look curated or fake. And on Trustpilot, the story changes completely. While some buyers were happy with what they received, others complained about delayed shipping, damaged items, or payment issues. So what's the final verdict? Charmette.shop sits somewhere in the gray zone. It's not a clear scam, but it's not completely trustworthy either. The brand has potential, but the inconsistencies make it risky. If you really love their charm designs, proceed carefully. Maybe start with a small order first, or look for their pieces on more established marketplaces before spending big.